Well, folks, I was not filming for that, but I was trying to get my Garmin settings all up to top notch, but if you look here, while I was doing that, caught a dinky little perch. See if I can get him unhooked here. Okay. Little perch. So yeah, hopefully I can get this all rigged up before dark. Got a flag. Oh. See if this will focus. There we go. Spinning. What? Okay, give it a second. Okay. No. Oh yeah. Let's go, boys.
Nice little walleye there, boys.
Yeah, if you could see it, it looks like an ice block. I just reset up this tip out too.
Oh, I think I set it too deep, did I?
I don't know, it was set perfect.
There she is, boys.
Can you get the hook out?
Is she 15? You think so?
Kind of swallowed her real deep. Okay, there's so much walters in the area, you know. Keep that rider up. Ran all the way from my Garmin way to the beans over there. But I can't even see it. Let me try and get it out.
This
Most retarded idea I ever heard. See the hook.
That thing wasn't coming off, that's for sure.
That's a 15-inch walleye.
Well, boys, brought down that new fresh winter, and literally as it was going down, nice hog came in and took it to swing. Oh, that's right. Right when we shut off the camera. Yeah, of course. Works like a charm. It's a little breezy out here.
Got a northern on camera. He didn't want my lures.
See if you can see my lure.
Okay. He's probably looking right at it. Crap.
Probably is.
There we go. We're rolling. We are rolling. Perch on the underwater. Oh crap, he's leaving. Come back. Come over to me. Come back. Oh, okay, crap.
All my perch are leaving.
My perch. Oh, he's swinging back around. Swing back around. Hit him with the little jig. Oh, two of them. Oh, he murked it. No. Oh, here he comes. Big mama. Big mama. You bit the wrong lure, you dingus. Oh, I'm snagged. I'm jigging both. Come on, bite the little one. You know you want it.
Come on.
Oh, here it comes. It's zoning in. No, it left. Get back here, boy.
I got.
I'm literally in a massive tangle.
Get it out.
I'm trying to catch a fish. Okay. You gotta. Oh, here comes one. Oh, it's flying. It's flying in. Oh. Oh, yeah.
Fish on! Fish on! Oh, yeah! I got one on bottom here. Not one.
It's huge, and boys. Just take one glimpse at that and tell me I ain't a master angler for perch. Ooh. That thing's probably, I don't know, somewhere between 17 and 20 inches.
Oh, one smear it up for me.
Hook it back down the. Oh, crap. Oh, okay. We'll just toss her down the aquaview hole. Bye bye, fishy. Northern. Oh, you can see this fin.
I'm gonna hook down a good bit.
Okay, try to catch him. He's leaving.
That's what was probably looking at me.
That's probably why all the fish skedaddled.
Same.
Yeah, well, oh, okay. Will just caught a fish and, here, you're holding it in the light, bro.
Oh, okay. Well, things all tangled in.
Ripping wrap with, about a perch the size of it. And yeah, got some more perch on aquaview, so we'll see if we can catch some real quick. Oh, come on, get in the hole. There we go.
Got a perch in the evening. No wonder why I'm not.
I can't catch one of these.
No wonder why I'm not slaying them, boys.
Oh, there's 5 of them. There's like 30 of them on the screen.
Oh, there's so many.
You scared them.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Closing them.
Oh, here they come. What the beans? You're willing to buy Will's lure, but not mine.
Are you using the little shaker?
Yeah. There's like 400 of them down there. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, I turned away. Oh, they all spooked.
Oh, it's got something bigger. No! That thing was walleye.
Walleye?
Oh.
Okay, I'll catch it. From the far shadows. Oh, it comes ripping in. There we go. Oh, whip up that chungus.
Should we cook that one up?
Oh yeah, that's probably another 18, 20 incher.
Yeah, let me see. Let me see how big.
Oh, look at that thing.
Oh, he's not even. Oh, I had a mark on.
There was a perch down there 2 seconds ago.
Like you ought to.
Oh,
Catch
okay.
an eater.
Yeah, there ain't any eater perch in this lake.
Oh, missed him.
You gotta catch like walleye or pike to eat anything. Oh, I finally caught up another perchy.
There's a million of them.
Things, everything to brag about. Things a hoss. Fishy. Swim down. That thing is literally dumber than a dog. And my camera's about to die too. Okay, swim down the hole. Well, folks, me and Brent were hole hopping up there. 50-mile-an-hour wind, just hauling across the lake. Then Will had a fish on and caught this pike.
Not complainable size. I'm gonna go back to the worm shed.
Go back to the warm
It's like
outdoors.
hard to run.
I know, I was running against the wind. It's like going backwards.
Crap. I got like instant marks over there. So I might try it. Come on.
All I heard is Will yelling, "Walleye!"
I thought it was first glance.
How do you feel about this fish, you Will?
I was thinking prime way to finally get the skunk off the board.
Heck yeah, what time is it? What's the beans? Yours says it's 7:37. There's no way.
No, it's an hour behind.
Oh, almost 9. We've been chilling here for what, 2 hours? No, an hour. Not a bad little place.
There she is, boys.
Oh yeah.
Sending her back down there. Oh no!
Got your classic slime weasel trying to eat her grub.
Yeah. And there she goes, boys.
Oh, mint. Let's get some more, eh?
Heck yeah.
Oh, mint.
Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, on the miss. There was a bat. Oh,
I'm just so busy with my friend's thing.
Oh, that thing's a hot.
I know, it's a nice walleye.
You got him?
Yeah, got it. Hooked up.
Oh, nice.
Oh, yes. On the aqua view, boys.
That was unreal. Crap, money.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, boys.
Oh, is that prime?
Oh, that was mint.
First walleye under the ice for me, boys.
Oh, my screen's foggy as the beans.
Oh,
I think look like a hoss on the aqua
I
view.
know.
What do you look like? Like a 10
There was
pounder
2 of them at once, too. It tried for it like 4 times, boys.
Dude, that's such a clear walleye compared to the Rice Lake walleye.
I know.
Oh.
Not bad, boys.
Is that a keeper?
I don't know. Let's measure.
Measure against some of our old crusty ones.
Oh, easy dub.
Oh yeah, that's easy, a keeper.
Mint.
Unreal.
First walleye under the ice for me, boys. On the aqua view.
That was thinking sick.
That was sick. Oh, I love this aqua view. Alright. Time to go flay some more, boys.
Time for me to continue set up the tibble so I just know this juicy water swimming down there.
Holy cow, there was 2 on the screen at once, too, Lars.
Oh, that was so mint looking.
I just caught a sauger. Biggest fish I ever did catch. Look at this hog, wild. It's about a good 9-incher.
Were you marking it down there?
I don't know. Oh, there's a mark at 22. But
Is that me?
oh yeah, it is. I didn't even realize that I had it marked. I just felt weight. I didn't even feel it bite when I was jigging, so I set the hook, and there we have. We're gonna be catching a lot of these today, boys.
Yeah, well, hopefully it's just the juice of the action, you know?
Oh yeah, I already caught one. Like 10 seconds in. Not a bad sign.
Fishing 22 feet of water. We're on.
And my reel's going.
Oh, hey, fish down there.
Honest?
Yeah. It was on me for a second. It was just chilling there looking at my jig.
Prime. Hooked up on the aqua view. Nice little sauger.
Holy, the thing's bigger than I thought it was.
Stinking sick. Oh, I love this aqua view. Oh. Okay. All right. Whoa. Oh. Okay.
You literally called it too. Nice little sauger's gonna come pick me up. You lift it up, thing just locks it.
Did you watch that?
Yeah, that was mint.
That was. I mean, they're not that big. This is definitely bigger than the one I caught this morning. And thing crushed it.
I never got my camera up in time, but oh well.
There you go, boys. Nothing to really brag about, but it's a sauger.
Fish is a fish.
Wait, it got a white tail. This is a walleye.
Yeah.
This is a walleye.
It's on. Okay, well that gives us hope that there's fishes
I
around.
know.
Alright folks, me and Renty made a move. Didn't catch none at the first spot. And I got some walleye from 2 days ago that we caught in this like exact location. And yeah, I'm gonna cook them up and it's gonna be pretty mint. But first I gotta scrub this pan and I'll get back to y'all. Alright folks, I got that pan clean after hours of grinding. And yeah, we're making walleye. We're going ultimate steakhouse burger seasoning.
Louis special.
Louis special. Crusty pepper jack cheese block frozen right on top. Cook it right over the heater. Just like let's see. Where's the heater? Well, over there.
Right there.
Just plunk it on top, something like that, and cook up some walleye. That's my game plan. We'll see if it works. So first I'm just gonna melt some butter, and yeah, once that starts happening, I guess I'll turn it back on or something. I don't know.
And like on bottom though, this one might be the juice.
Yeah.
Over
Good
here.
folks, I diced up some walleye,
Sonny.
or like cut it smaller. And yeah, I'm gonna throw on some steakhouse burger seasoning on there. And then I'll get the other side when I flip it and throw some cheese. And I don't know what that's gonna taste like. It's gonna be pretty neat to find out. All I know is me and Brentus are starving. Didn't eat crap yet today. I'm getting a few marks, but pretty slim pickings. So you might as well be cooking while we're waiting for the fish to swim by. So yeah, stay tuned for the yumminess. I'm trying to cook and it's going nice and well until the pan decided to fall off, and I burnt myself like 5 times. And the thing just got murked, and now everything's cold again. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna flip this fish like a beast. Okay, that does not even look halfway done yet. Oof. We're eating sushi, boys. Oh, is that flaky? Crap, it's falling all apart. Oh, I'll put some more seasonings. Okay. Okay, I need a different utensil. This thing is bad. Oh. Pulling out with the beef. Ooh. We got like a whole stick of butter in there because we can, you know. And now I gotta hold the pan on there since I melted the handle and also burnt myself on that. And yeah. Season that stuff all up. Let it cook the other side. Put some cheese on there. And muck her down like a Bobby Brown. Okay. Oh, money. Maybe a little more. Ah, good enough. Okay, well now I guess I just kind of gotta hold it there. But yeah, hopefully this doesn't take too long because I'm kind of getting sick of it. Okay, folks, here's our done fish. Can't really see it, but walleye with that burger seasoning and cheese. Mmm. It's gonna murk that stuff, eh, Brenty?
All that cheese is going down, but looks pretty good.
I had to send it.
It's probably good when you're starving, so.
We're starving.